Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get bigger breasts. Firstly, now that you know there's a difference between building pectoral muscle strength and breast size, let's focus on movement that will improve chest bone fullness and posture. Firstly, dumbbell chest press. You need only dumbbells. Now lie in a flat bench or on the floor, knees bent, then feet flat. Hold the dumbbell each hand, palms facing away from you, and extend your arms straight over your chest, and slowly bend your elbows to lower the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the ground. Pause, then press back up to the starting position. Reps 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Secondly, dumbbell pec fly. It opens and stretches the chest muscles, improves flexibility. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Hold the dumbbell in each hand above your chest, palms facing each other, and with elbows slightly bent, lower your arms out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel it gently stretch. Pause, then bring arms back to the starting position, squeezing the chest at the top. Do 2 sets with 8 to 12 repetitions. Now the alternating dumbbell press, which targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core stability. Lie flat with knees bent and dumbbells in the both hands. Extend both arms over your chest and keeping one arm steady. Lower the other arm slowly until the elbow is at chest level. Press back up, then switch sides. Do 2 sets of 8 to 12 per side. And finally, of course, push-ups. The classic full-body chest toner works your chest, arms, and core at once. Start in a high plank position with hands under shoulders and engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. And lower your body to bend in your elbows close to your torso until your chest is 1 to 2 inches from the ground. Exhale and push yourself back up to the starting position. Do 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. That's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next video.